Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos. Here is step-by-step virtual assistant tutorial for beginners. 1. Define your goals. Start by clearly defining what you want your virtual assistant to do. Think about the tasks it will perform and the problems it will solve for users. 2. Choose a platform or framework. Decide which platform or framework you want to use to build your virtual assistant. Popular options include Python with libraries like NLTK or Spacy, JavaScript with frameworks like Node.js, or using pre-built platforms like Dialogflow or Wit.ai. 3. Learn the basics of natural language processing, NLP. Familiarize yourself with the basics of NLP, including concepts like tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition. These techniques will help your virtual assistant understand and process user inputs. 4. Set up your development environment. Install the necessary software and tools for your chosen platform. This may include text editors or IDEs, version control systems, and any libraries or frameworks you'll be using. 5. Design the user interface. Decide how users will interact with your virtual assistant. This could be through a chat interface, voice commands, or a combination of both. Design a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to communicate with your assistant. 6. Implement basic functionality. Start by implementing basic functionality for your virtual assistant, such as responding to simple queries or providing information on specific topics. Focus on getting the core functionality working before moving on to more advanced features. 7. Integrate NLP. Integrate natural language processing capabilities into your virtual assistant to enable it to understand user commands and queries. Use NLP techniques to parse and analyze user inputs and extract relevant information. 8. Build response logic. Develop the logic for how your virtual assistant responds to user queries. This may involve accessing external APIs or databases to retrieve information, executing predefined actions, or generating dynamic responses based on user input. 9. Test your assistant. Thoroughly test your virtual assistant to ensure it behaves as expected and handles a variety of inputs and scenarios. Consider edge cases and error handling to ensure a smooth user experience. 10. Refine and iterate. Gather feedback from users and iterate on your virtual assistant to improve its performance and usability over time. Continuously refine and update your assistant to better meet the needs of your users. By following these steps and continuously iterating on your virtual assistant, you can create a powerful and useful tool that helps users accomplish tasks more efficiently and effectively. If you have any question concerning this, just comment below. Please like our video to make it go viral to help more people. Thanks for watching.